Take 3/4 cup of yogurt in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 3 tablespoons of tandoori barbecue masala and salt to taste. Mix it well. Cut paneer into 1-inch cubes. Add paneer cubes into the yogurt mix. Mix everything together very well so all paneer cubes have a yogurt mixture coating on all sides. Now put these paneer cubes in a refrigerator for 2 hours. Preheat oven at 425 Fahrenheit and spread these paneer cubes on a baking sheet. Don't forget to spray oil before you put paneer cubes, otherwise paneer cubes can be stick on the pan. And bake it for 25 minutes. The barbecue paneer is ready. You can serve it as you want, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for other recipe videos. Thanks for watching.